Salt might seem simple, but when it comes to beef, it's one of the most important ingredients you'll ever use. I'm Chef Noah, and this is Beef 101. There are many different salts, and not all of them are the same. Kosher salt is the go-to for most cooking. Sea salt is another great option, but just be cautious with table salt. It's much finer, more concentrated, and it can easily oversalt that beef. Salts also have many different textures and grain sizes. Coarse salts are best for seasoning beef before cooking. It's easier to control the spread, and it's much more even. When salt hits the surface of beef, it pulls moisture out. Over time, that moisture dissolves, and the salt draws it back in. We found that it takes at least 1 hour for that process to fully reverse and start moving the seasoning back into the meat. This means better seasoning throughout the entire steak, not just on the outside. This also leads to a more flavorful bite from edge to center. There are also finishing salts. These are great for after cooking or in sauces when you need to add a little salt that will dissolve quickly. When seasoning with salt, make sure you season beef generously, especially with coarse salt. You want to see that salt on the outside. Most of what's on the surface helps build flavor and crust, not saltiness. Remember, salt doesn't make beef taste salty. It enhances beef's natural flavor. From flavor to browning to bite, salt is essential for great beef. Choose the right salt, use it with confidence, and let the beef do the rest. Class dismissed. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss a lesson. Also visit beefit'swhatsfordinner.com for those tasty beef recipes.